If you're looking for a direct link to give to your clients to leave your review on Google My Business, you'll want to start by logging into your account. I'm going to log into a fictitious one that I have. You're going to find the name of your business and highlight it. It'll show that you already manage the business. You'll hit continue. You'll come to this screen that shows you your analytics and how you can update the profile if you need to. Right here on the drop down, you can ask for reviews. You click that, and this is your direct link. Just select the squares to copy the link, and you can send that right to your clients. When they use this link, I'll copy it and put it in their browser. It will take them right to your page where they can leave a review easily without having to hunt around.